So a few of my viewers said they didn't like the palm tree, that the palm tree had to go, and I agree. It looks stupid. So say goodbye to the palm tree. Come on. All right, see guys, you make a suggestion, I listen. No, we could clean that up. Next. Okay, so someone suggested that I put one of these like hook things right here. Then when I put my big window covering on at night, and remember I was complaining that this right here, this part right here was seeping through and people would peek through, and so if this goes here and then I put this right here, we're gonna try this out real quick. So let me go ahead and stick this on. Now I don't have a mirror here because the Transit Connect doesn't need one, because there's no way I can look behind me anyway. Okay, so that is like that. Okay, so there it is. Then it just goes up like this. And looks stupid, see? Now, when I have the window covering in, this will be like this. And it should be better. And how do we know that? Okay, let me get the window covering out and show you. Okay, I know that's a lot of work. So I'm gonna have to learn how to do these a little faster and a little better. But look, this is perfect like that. And now I am very happy with this. So then in the morning, I just go like this, take this off, put it like that, put this up, and then I can take my window coverings down, or just let them fall because they don't stay up anyway. Okay, I figured out how to do it. Look, they're on. And by the way, they are in the channel. They are not on the outside because there's no adhesive. They actually went inside the channel. I watched the video. It said make sure the window's up, leave about an inch. This piece right here has to sit right here on that rubber. It doesn't go in. The rest of it goes in. That right there doesn't. It sits just like that. So now we are going to start the car, because now it says that I am supposed to roll the window the rest of the way up, see if it works. Shut up. Okay, now let's roll it down. Up. Now it has to acclimate because of the weather. Okay, one more time. Come on. Okay, they're up. Okay, now we're back to the side from the hill. I'm going to go ahead. I did what they said. Window is about an inch. All right. You get to watch me do this one the right way. You guys were all saying I was doing it the wrong way. Okay. So this sits on this piece like that. This piece, all right, stay. Let's just put it in. All right, now we're gonna do the top. This was the hard part because it bows. Okay. Pull this. All right. Go. Oh God. Okay. Okay. Bow this like this. That. Oh, there we go. Okay. It's supposed to do that. All right. And you work it in. Okay. Work it in. Come on. Come on. Okay. All right. You're supposed to go back. Oh, you're not supposed to be tucked in there too. Come on. Go back. Oh, good. There we go. There we go. We can do it. We can do it. Okay. Bam! I did it, guys. All right. I know. Gotta roll the window down. Let's see if it works. We don't know if it's gonna work or not. All right. Now we are going to go roll the window up and down, see if it moves. Come on. Fingers crossed. Okay, rain guards are up. Yes! Yes, I did it, guys. Okay, next. Okay, so one thing that I'm trying to figure out is I do not have much storage in this area right here between my seats. This right here is for the brake, so I really can't put anything in there. I mean, 2 drinks, can't keep anything in there. It's my USB stuff. And I have this tiny little thing here, so I've got to figure out, I need like a junk drawer. So I've got to figure out what to do there, because when I'm driving and I decide to put my phone down, I don't know where to put it. I can't put it in there because it'll blow up my phone. I haven't called them yet, so I still have to get service. Right here is where, this right here is where your cell phone goes, and it charges. It goes all the way in there and it charges, but when I put it in, it burned up my phone. So it's broke. So I have to take that in to get it serviced. But this right here, guys, that is perfect. Oh my gosh, I love this. And look, now I can hang something from it as if I had a real mirror. And I have to get some things for my tissue box here. Look, guys, got me a professional knife. God. Oh. Guys, it's leaking. I think it's too hot. I think it's too hot in the car. Yep, it's too hot in the car, guys. I'm sorry. It's too hot in the van. Yuck. I was better off with the scissors. Ew. Alright, we're not going to do this all day, okay? So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go ahead and cut all these. And then, I'll be back. Okay? Oh, God. Gross. So I'd like to thank the guy who gave me a tip. He said, put it here first. Then pull it down. Ta-da! Okay. Here we go again. some people say you only need to do 20% of the van. I watched one guy say you have to do 20% of the spot. Since I have no idea which one of you guys is right and which one's wrong, I'm gonna do a little of all of it. Okay. I remember somebody else told me I didn't have to flatten these little squares in like I did last time, so I'm gonna put them all on and then I'm gonna get the bubbles out. Okay. 2, 3, 4. Alright guys, so I am done the sides. I am not doing the backs because I'm getting windows. So I am going to do some of this in here. I am going to take off these. I'm going to take off these right here and put some back there. Got 2 doors to do, and I'll do that when I come back in. The spider has not shown herself yet, so I can't do it yet, but at least I got the big ones on. The roof is done inside. Sound barrier is finished. I am done. Walls are done. Walls are done. All right. So I'm really proud of myself, guys. This is really good. So now we're on to, well, the next video is going to be maybe the Havelock, if I have it by then, and I'm going to order it tonight. So this is it for this. So I got a lot done today. I finished all the sound barrier, and I put in the, let's go upside down. I put in the, what's it called there? Right there. The rain deflectors. Yay, finally got them in. It was a very productive day.